I am Killow, the mightiest of the sons of Garmadon, and since I have the only mask of deception, the ninjas won't defeat me.
It's Killow! This won't be easy, team, but we have to bring him down.
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Puny ninjas, I'll smash you all.
Let's see how you like this, big guy. Wah!
Ha! Was that all? I'll show you what pain really is.
Bring it on!
You'll be crushed. Ha!
Yeah! Wah!
Ha! Ha!
Ah!
The green ninja has fallen.
No, Lloyd! Let's see how you like this!
You can't hit me, but with the power of the Oni mask, I can hit you.
That looks powerful! Whoa! I've got just the thing to deal with this situation.
That's right, ninja. Run!
The only one who should run is you.
Your bike won't save you.
No, my bike! Ice Blaster! Fire!
Not good.
I've done it! Killow's defeated. Now to regroup with the others.
Hey everyone, it's me, Killow. Thanks for watching CooperAce Productions. Please subscribe and check out more of our awesome videos. Have an amazing day.